Thank you for joining us at Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. This video is for informational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any changes to your lifestyle. This is an informational study on the process and potential benefits of frequency healing. 1. Introduction. Frequency healing, also known as vibrational therapy, sound healing, biofield therapy, or frequency medicine, is an alternative wellness approach based on the idea that the human body responds to vibration, resonance, and subtle energy fields. Practitioners believe that specific frequencies can support physical relaxation, mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. Although widely practiced in holistic wellness and supported by growing preliminary research, frequency healing is not a replacement for medical treatment. Evidence is promising in some areas, for example, stress reduction, improved mood, and pain management, but it is still emerging. 2. Foundational concepts. 2.1. Vibrational theory. The central idea is that everything, cells, organs, thoughts, and emotions, vibrates at specific frequencies. When these vibrational patterns become disrupted due to stress, illness, trauma, etc., the body may experience imbalance. Frequency healing aims to influence these vibrations to support harmony within the body's nervous system, energy field, biofield, emotional regulation systems, and physiological rhythms, heart rate, breathing, brain waves. 2.2. Entrainment. This is a scientifically recognized phenomenon in which rhythmic systems synchronize with an external stimulus. Examples: heart rate syncing with breathing rhythm, brain waves responding to binaural beats, cells responding to acoustic vibrations. Frequency healing uses entrainment intentionally to shift the body into more regulated, restorative states. 2.3. The biofield concept. Many forms of frequency therapy operate under the idea of the human biofield, the energetic field thought to surround and influence the body. While not yet fully measurable with traditional instruments, research into bioelectromagnetic fields suggests the body does emit subtle fields. 3. Forms of frequency healing. 3.1. Sound-based modalities. Tuning forks, crystal or metal singing bowls, gongs, chanting, humming, or toning, binaural beats, and frequency-based audio tracks. These create vibrations intended to entrain brainwaves or soothe the nervous system. 3.2. Electromagnetic or frequency-based devices. Some devices emit low-level frequencies, pulsed electromagnetic fields, microcurrents, or sound frequencies. Research on these varies by modality. 3.3. Voice and breath therapy. The human voice is considered one of the strongest vibrational tools. Practices include vocal toning, mantra repetition, and resonance breathing. 4. The process of frequency healing. 4.1. Assessment. Some practitioners begin by identifying stress levels, emotional patterns, areas of physical tension, and perceived energy blockages. 4.2. Frequency application. A session may include lying down or sitting comfortably, listening to tones or music, feeling vibrations from bowls, gongs, or tuning forks, device-based frequency output, and guided breathing or meditation. 4.3. Physiological responses during sessions. People often experience slowed breathing, reduced muscle tension, a lower heart rate, deep relaxation in the theta wave state, and emotional release in some cases. 4.4. Integration. Afterwards, practitioners may encourage grounding practices,
hydration, journaling, or rest to support integration of the session's effects. 5. Potential benefits of frequency healing. Research is growing but varies by modality. Many benefits are related to relaxation and nervous system regulation. 5.1. Stress reduction. Sound frequencies can influence the parasympathetic nervous system, helping the body shift from fight and flight into rest and digest. Studies show lower cortisol levels, reduced perceived stress, and improved emotional calm. 5.2. Pain and tension relief. Preliminary research on sound and vibration therapy has found reduced muscle tension, lower reports of chronic pain, and improvements in physical relaxation. Low-frequency vibrations may stimulate circulation and reduce inflammation. 5.3. Improved sleep. Certain frequencies, delta, theta, and alpha waves, are associated with deeper relaxation, shorter time to fall asleep, and improved sleep quality. 5.4. Emotional balance and mental clarity. Many participants report reduced anxiety, enhanced mood, relief of emotional heaviness, and improved focus and mental stillness. 5.6. Brainwave entrainment. Binaural beats may help guide the brain into states such as alpha, relaxed focus, theta, meditative, creative state, and delta, deep sleep. 5.7. Enhanced energy flow, holistic perspective. From an energetic point of view, frequencies may help clear or regulate blocked emotional energy, stagnant tension, and disharmonious vibrations. This aspect is more traditional or holistic and less studied scientifically. 6. Scientific evidence, what we know so far. Supported by emerging research. Sound therapy lowers stress and anxiety in many participants. Low-frequency vibrations may help reduce pain and improve mobility. Binaural beats influence mood and relaxation. Music therapy has long established benefits for mental health. Still under investigation. Direct frequency-based healing of specific organs or diseases. Biofield manipulation. The exact mechanisms behind sound-induced relaxation. Where evidence strongly supports benefits, stress reduction, nervous system regulation, emotional wellness, enhanced meditation, and reduced muscle tension. 7. Safety and considerations. Frequency healing is typically safe for most people. However, those with epilepsy should be cautious with binaural beats. Individuals with cardiac implants should consult medical providers before using electrical frequency devices. Sound therapy can be overwhelming if it's too loud. It should complement, not replace, medical treatment. 8. Conclusion. Frequency healing is an increasingly popular wellness practice rooted in ancient traditions and supported by emerging scientific insights into vibration, sound, and brainwave entrainment. While more rigorous research is needed, many individuals experience meaningful improvements in relaxation, emotional stability, sleep quality, and overall well-being. When practiced mindfully and used alongside standard healthcare, frequency healing can be a gentle, supportive tool for the mind and body. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today.